Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults, featuring a robust 1200W motor, is an impressive blend of power and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour, this bike is designed for those who crave adventure, whether on dirt trails or urban roads. The 48V 15AH removable battery is a standout feature, offering a commendable range that ensures you can tackle longer rides without the anxiety of running out of power. One of the most appealing aspects of this electric bike is its construction. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy handling while maintaining the durability needed for off-road conditions. The bike's suspension system is well engineered, absorbing shocks effectively and providing a comfortable ride even on bumpy terrains. The adjustable seat and handlebars further enhance the riding experience, allowing users of varying heights to find their optimal riding position. The bike's controls are intuitive and user-friendly, featuring an LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This makes it easy to keep track of your ride and adjust your pace as needed. With multiple speed modes, riders can choose the level of assistance they need, whether they're climbing steep hills or cruising on flat surfaces. Safety has not been overlooked, with high-quality disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. Additionally, the bike is equipped with bright LED lights that enhance visibility during nighttime rides. One minor drawback is the weight of the battery. While it's removable for easy charging, it can be cumbersome to carry when detached. However, this is a small trade-off for the extended range it provides. Overall, the electric bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor adventures. Its powerful motor, thoughtful design, and reliable performance make it a versatile option for all types of riders. Whether you're commuting or exploring the great outdoors, this bike is sure to elevate your experience.